Selling on eBay for beginners in 2022 and 2023. As the new millennium begins, more and more people will find the need to make some extra money by selling off items that are no longer wanted or needed. If you've ever tried to sell anything on eBay, you know how difficult this can be without the right information to guide you through the process of selling successfully. Luckily, we have plenty of experience to help you reach your goals. This easy-to-follow guide will have you selling like an expert in no time at all. Introduction. If you are interested in getting into selling online, but don't know where to start, the good news is that it is very easy to set up an eBay account and get started. While there are many other sites, such as Amazon or Etsy, that also have the ability to allow you to sell your goods online, we will be focusing on how to do this with an eBay account. What do I need to start selling on eBay? To start selling on eBay, all you need is an internet connection, a computer with an internet browser, and a PayPal account. You'll also need to find out if there are any state or federal licenses you're required to have before selling specific items, e. Firearms. How to register for an eBay seller account. To create an account, all you have to do is visit the homepage and click on the register button at the top of the screen. You will be asked to provide some basic information about yourself, such as your name, address, email, and phone number. Next, you'll need to enter a password of your choice, make sure it's hard to guess, and fill out a CAPTCHA form. Once completed, click Create Your Account. How to choose products to sell on eBay. Choosing the right product to sell on eBay is crucial to success. The perfect product will have high demand, low competition, and be easy to ship. Use these tips to help you find the right products. Look at your own closet and figure out what you don't wear anymore or that doesn't fit. Go through closets of friends and family members with similar sizes or shopping preferences as you. How to list items for sale on eBay. To list items for sale on eBay, start by navigating to the Sell section of the homepage. From there, click on Start Selling and then enter your email address and password. Once you do that, you will be prompted to select a listing type. When choosing this, it's important to know if you're planning to use Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA. If so, choose the Store Inventory option and follow the instructions from there. How to optimize your eBay listings. Optimizing your listings is critical when it comes to selling on eBay. After all, you can't just list items and hope they sell themselves. To get the best results, you'll need to do some research and find out what keywords people are using when they search for products like yours. You'll also want to consider using catchy phrases and keywords in your titles that will help convince potential buyers who are browsing through the site that this is the product they're looking for. How to fulfill orders and ship products. When it comes to fulfillment, there are 2 steps to this process: picking and packing. The first step is to pick the items that you want to sell from your inventory. Once you have chosen the items, find a box or plastic container that will fit everything you need to ship. After choosing a shipping container, wrap each item with bubble wrap or some other type of cushioning material. Next, place the items into the container and seal it up with tape. How to get paid on eBay. In order to get paid on eBay, you will need to set up a PayPal account. Once you do this, the next step is to make sure your bank has the appropriate information from your PayPal account so it can process deposits and withdrawals. Managing your eBay business. The first step to selling online is creating your account. You will need to provide an email address, a password, and create a seller name. Once this is done, you will be prompted to enter additional information about your business and agree to the terms of using the site. Once you have completed this process, you are ready to start listing your products. eBay is a great place to start selling because it has so many customers. It's also a great idea to get your feet wet before you move on to other sites. Selling on eBay can be profitable and fun, but you have to have patience and be willing to learn the process.